Memorial Day weekend at Portland International Airport looks a lot different than the holiday in 2020. For the first time in more than a year, health officials did not warn people against traveling. Stephanie Weber and her family seized the opportunity to visit her dad in Arizona.
I haven't seen my dad in 2 years since the pandemic started, and I just needed to lay eyes on him. And I think, when you have aging parents, it's hard to not know that they're okay.
As COVID-19 cases go down and vaccination rates go up, Weber says she felt comfortable enough to visit vulnerable at-risk family members.
When I knew the kids could get vaccinated, it was not a hard decision. So as soon as they said that was possible, we were in line. And that gave us the freedom.
TSA officers screened close to 2 million people at airport checkpoints nationwide the Friday of Memorial Day weekend. They say that's the highest number they've seen since the beginning of the pandemic. With that said, locally, PDX expects to see more travelers this Memorial Day weekend compared to last year. The busiest days at PDX will be Friday and Monday, clocking in 41,000 travelers each day. Last year, the airport saw just under 8,000 travelers the Friday of Memorial Day weekend, and in 2019 it was about 65,000. But with more people traveling, Dr. Matthias Merkel at OHSU says it is possible we could see another spike in coronavirus cases 2 weeks after people return.
I anticipate it will be not as bad as the spikes we saw over Christmas because much more vaccination has been done. But I think it's a humbling reminder that this virus is still a threat, and we need to continue to kind of be careful around that.
And careful is exactly how Weber approached her family's first big trip out of state since the pandemic.
I've got 2 masks on, we're vaccinated, but you still just want to do everything you can to make sure you're okay. But it does feel like we've got some breathing room.
Christelle Kumwe, KGW News.